Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing, and today's video we'll talk about the affiliate program of Yelp. So let me take you to their website, which is yelp.com. For the ones who don't know about them, Yelp is a popular local discovery platform helping users find trusted reviews for restaurants, services, and local businesses. The website connects people with real customer ratings, photos, and recommendations to make informed decisions. With Yelp, you can discover the best places near you with confidence. So feel free to use them if you aren't using them already. What if you don't want to use them, but you still want to earn commission? Is it possible? Of course it is. Let's say you have a business. You definitely want to be on Yelp, correct? Same way that business is available out there, and you could influence them to be part of Yelp. In doing so, we'll give it a commission. So let me introduce you to the website called business.yelp.com. You may call it Yelp for businesses. So businesses could come here on this website, business.yelp.com, and register themselves for Yelp to review and of course to list them on their website, the actual website, which is yelp.com. And if you're bringing these businesses and if these businesses starts a free trial, you could get $60 as an affiliate. So affiliates from which country can join this affiliate program of Yelp Business, or to the consumers of which country can they promote in order to receive commission? Affiliates from anywhere, no restriction found regardless of the country, can be part of Yelp Business Affiliate Program, but they will only get commission if they're bringing businesses from Canada or United States of America. So these are the two locations for the businesses who can start free trial and you will receive commission. So let's learn more about their affiliate program so that you can start promoting them. For that, let me take you to the website called Impact. Now, what is Impact and what does they have to do with Yelp, or rather Yelp Business? Impact, or rather Impact.com, is one of the top affiliate marketing networks out there. What is an affiliate marketing network? They work as a mediator between brands and affiliates. That means if you want to join the affiliate program of different brands out there, you must have an affiliate account with the respective affiliate marketing network. So in our case, if you want to join the affiliate program of Yelp Business, then you must have an affiliate account with Impact. Now, how do you start with them? And is it free? Of course it is. And to start with them as an affiliate, you should click on Request a Demo, which should take you to this page. Over here within for creators, influencers, and publisher, you must click on Sign Up as a Partner. Now, Impact calls affiliates as publishers, so don't get confused. When you'll click on Sign Up as a Partner, you'll be taken to the screen. Simply click on Sign Up with email and complete all the registration steps. Now I understand the many nuances involved when doing the sign up with any affiliate network out there, so don't you worry, I got you covered. I recently had created a video on how to create and use Impact affiliate account. You'll find the link in the video description. Click on the link, follow the instructions from there, and get yourself a free Impact affiliate or rather publisher account. Once you have an account with them, come to the website once again, and over here, click on sign in, enter your credential, and then it will take you to something called affiliate dashboard. Now, this is a place where you will be able to interact with different brands out there, not just Yelp, but the focus of the video is the affiliate program of Yelp, or rather Yelp businesses. How do you find them? For that, you can click on discovers, you can click on find brands, which will take you to the section within all brand and search bar. Search for Yelp. Just type in the name followed by an enter. You'll be able to see the tile. Click on the tile for better understanding. So promote and earn via terms. You can click on view terms to read the terms and condition. We'll talk about it shortly. Free trial. As I was saying, you'll get $60. That's very generous just on the free trial. And then if you look at the left hand side, you have all these options that you can read. You can also write an email to them by clicking on this envelope icon. You can also initiate a chat with them. And if you click on details from the right hand side, you would be able to see where the service, as I was saying, Canada and United States, and then how they track, unique promo code tracking, mobile site. They're also open for placements or to influencers. That means even if you have a social media site, they're fine so long as you can influence businesses to join their business site. And then to read the terms and condition, I was saying once you click on view terms, you will be taken to this page. Over here, if you scroll down, you will have detailed terms and condition that you must read and ensure you must abide by. Let's say you've read it all, you want to apply it to their affiliate program. For that, simply click on apply. Once you do that, it will open up this. It will ask you to tell the Yelp Business Partnership Program or affiliate program about why you want to work on this campaign. So you can write something good about you so that the affiliate program team can review. They'll see whether you're a good fit for them or not. And based on that, they could approve you. So for me, I have already returned. I'm going to just paste it in here. In your case as well, you can type in something good and then click on apply. When you do that, your application to the affiliate program team of Yelp will go. They'll see whether you're a good fit for them or not. Based on that, they could give you the approval. How much time would it take? Anywhere between a couple of days to a couple of weeks' time. Once you have been approved, you will be notified via an email. And once you have received the email, you can log into your Impact affiliate account. Once again, this time click on Discover and click on My Brands. So over here, you would be able to see all your approved brands affiliate program, including Yelp, assuming you have been approved by Yelp. So let's see how it looks like. So as you can see, these all are my approved programs in my test account. Same way for Yelp, you'll be able to see them listed here. All right, so you've been approved for the affiliate program. Next, what? Next, you're gonna start promoting them. But to promote them, you can't just take any link from the website. You have to use tracking link or rather create tracking link. How do you create your own tracking link? For that, you can come to the home page and you can look at the left-hand side, create a link section. Assuming you would be approved by Yelp, you'll be able to see them listed in here. But just for the demo purpose, I'm gonna go with SEMrush. And then with a landing page URL, you can mention the URL that you want to create tracking link for. So let's say business.yelp.com. I want to create a tracking link for this URL. I'll copy this URL. I'll come to this, and within the landing page, I'm going to mention the URL followed by a click. When I do that, it will create a tracking link for me. But since I'm trying to create a tracking link of Yelp Business using SEMrush, I go to error message. Assuming you're selecting Yelp and you're putting the business.yelp.com or any other related website URL, it should work. But let's say you don't want to create your own tracking link, but rather you want to use the existing ones. How do you do that? For that, you can simply click on content and you can go to assets, which will take you to this page. Over here on the left hand side, you should be able to see Yelp. Assuming you have been approved, you can select Yelp, just tick mark the name like I have selected SEMrush. In your case, you can click on Yelp. And let's say if you want to take the image or banner links, you can click on images. And over here, you would be able to see all the available image or banner links of Yelp. So in our case, we should be able to see for SEMrush, and we're just using it as a demo. Let's assume this is one of the banner link of Yelp and you want to promote them using this banner link. You can simply click on this banner link. It will load all the details for you. And over here within preview, you have an option download image. And if you want to get a code, click on asset code. And this is the HTML link code that you can copy and enter at the backend of your website or blog. You can also give a landing page URL, meaning a destination URL, if you don't want them to lead to a specific destination URL already set in this HTML. You can also use iframe if you wish, and then this tracking link you can directly take from here. So this is how you can get the link code for the banner link. Same way you can try video links, emails, coupons, articles, and other links as well. So this is how you can either create your tracking link or get your available links so that you can start promoting them. The next question arises, where can you promote them? There are many ways, but still I'm gonna cover a few. One way is website. Doesn't matter whatever kind of website you got, so long as you've been approved by Yelp Business or rather Yelp, you can promote them on your website, maybe homepage, maybe category page, wherever you feel like it's more suited for your audience, for your traffic, go ahead and do that. Second is blog. Now, blog could be amazing here because you could write blog posts about different kind of services available on Yelp and then put your tracking link of Yelp Business somewhere with the blog. So this way, when businesses would read it, they'll click on the link, and if they start or initiate a free trial, you'll end up getting commission. Third way is social media. Social media could be great here because you could influence people through contents like videos, reels, posts, and put your tracking link somewhere in description or comment, and this could work in your favor. Fourth way is travel and tourism website. Now, this kind of website could be amazing here because you could maybe create a section for, let's say, registered businesses. And when people would go to register businesses, they would be able to see all different kind of websites where businesses can usually register themselves. And probably in those listings, you can put Yelp exclusively. This way, when businesses would come to your website, they'll go to that section, they'll click on Yelp, And as usual, once they initiate the free trial, you'll receive the commission. So these are some of the ways you can promote them. Let's say you started promoting them and you started bringing performance to Yelp, or rather your business, where we just see your performance. For that, you can come to the affiliate or rather publisher dashboard once again. Once here, you can click on reports and you can click on overview. It will take you to the overview section. Once here, you would be able to see the trend of your performance, basically the overview. If you scroll down, you can see your top brands, top categories, performance by day, performance by referring domain, and other details that could help you to see how you're performing. You can also run other reports like performance by day, advanced action listing, and all other reports. So all the commission that will be accumulated, you would be able to see on the top right hand side. As you can see, this is my accumulated commission. And to see more details, you can click on the drop down icon from here, and you would be able to see the balance. Like if you click here, you'll see the segregation of the balance, the pending commission, the earning history, the invoices, and other pending actions too. And in order to receive the commission, you can simply click on your avatar icon, click on settings, which will take you to this page. Over here, you can scroll down till the finance section and click on bank account. When you do that, it will take you to the account settings page where you can update your payment method. Depending on your location as an affiliate, you will either get an option to set electronic fund transfer or PayPal. So if you choose electronic fund transfer, you can select your location country from the listed here and then give all the related information. You can also choose to get auto pay or pay on a fixed day of the month. That's up to you. And if you see PayPal, if you want to go with PayPal, just select PayPal and give the information accordingly. All right, so this is how you find the affiliate program of Yelp, or rather Yelp for Business. You apply for the affiliate program, get approval, start bringing businesses to them, and start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helped you in learning all about the affiliate program of Yelp for Business. And as an affiliate, if you want to grow and if you want to become even a better affiliate, and if you want to earn better, there are some amazing resources available for you. They are free and they are exclusive as well. You'll find them in the video description. Get any of these resources you prefer. Apart from it, if you got any other question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video like this on the affiliate program of any other brand, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to create a video on them. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.